Let's take a look at banner management inside of HighLevel. Banner management gives you full control over which in-app banners your team and your clients see within the platform. With banner management, agency admins can review all system and informational banners, enable or disable them with a single toggle, reorder the priority, and control how often the banners reappear. Here's how it works. Inside your HighLevel agency account, if you come down to settings and then scroll up to announcements, this is where you'll find the banner management. Over here is where you'll see all the different announcements. You'll be able to see them by their priority, their frequency, and their status. If you want to change the order of these columns, then just come up to this button over here and drag it to your desired area. When you drop it, it will automatically reconfigure. In the status column, you can toggle on and off the different banners that you want to show or not show inside different accounts. All you have to do is click on the button. You'll get this confirmation message and then click on disable announcement. Once you do that, you should double check by going into the sub accounts and checking if the announcement has disappeared. And that's how banner management works inside of HighLevel. It's a simple way to control in-app messaging, reduce clutter, and create a cleaner, more professional experience for your agency and your clients. For more information about this or other HighLevel features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's in the description below.